You can also insert out regular interval labels inside of Audacity. So over here you can see that I have an audio file, and let's say I want to add in a label every 5 seconds. So in order to do that, I can go around and select all of the audio. So you have to select out the audio part where you want to add in the regular interval labels, and then you can go around into Tools menu right here, and then you can click on regular interval labels option right here. So once you do that, you can go around and select the number of labels you want. Let's say you want 20 labels or so forth, or you can go around right here. You can go around for number of labels right here, or you can go around with label intervals over here as well. So label text, let's say for example, will be tube right here. Begin the number from 1 right here. So you can go around right here. Maybe you want 3 digits before the label right here, and you can go around message upon completion. You can get the details and so forth according to how you like it. So length of the label also is what you can like set. Let's say the label interval will be 5 seconds right here instead of 10, and the length of the label region will be 1 second each right here. So once you're happy with the settings that you choose, you can press OK. And now it says there is 26 region level at intervals of 5 seconds, and region length will be 1 second. So if I were to press OK, now you can see that it has been applied, as you can see right here. So there's 1 second of 1 second of label, 1 second of selected label right here, along with 5 seconds of gap between each of the labels, as you can see right there. And that is how you can work around by inserting out regular interval labels inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.